Lead-Acid Lithium Battery Pack Series Discharge Capacity Tester. The Lead-Acid and Lithium Battery Series Discharge Capacity Tester SF40 is a high-precision testing instrument especially for the capacity test with maximum discharging current at 40A. With the wide voltage testing range from 9V to 99V, which make it can detect varieties of batteries from 12V, 84V. Capacity tests can be performed for lead-acid batteries, lithium batteries, and other types of batteries. SF40 has an external charger interface to connect the charger to charge the battery, and can achieve 199 times of automatic cycle charge-discharge, which can also be used as the aging equipment in the battery production. It is a high-precision specific instrument suitable for electric vehicle and battery manufacturers and its dealers to test the performance of the battery packs. And it can be widely used in battery testing and maintenance, production, sales, and after-sales service as an efficient and intelligent battery testing and maintenance equipment. Professional services.